An air-to-water heat pump connects to a wet heating system. It heats water for radiators, underfloor heating, and, where required, a hot water cylinder. This is usually the route people mean when they talk about replacing a gas, oil, or LPG boiler with a heat pump. An air-to-air heat pump heats the air directly through indoor units. It is often excellent for rooms that need fast heating and cooling, such as bedrooms, home offices, loft rooms, garden rooms, or open-plan living spaces. It normally does not provide domestic hot water, so it is not a direct boiler replacement on its own. The right choice depends on what you want the system to do. If the goal is whole home central heating and hot water, air to water is usually the conversation. If the goal is efficient room heating, cooling, or targeted comfort, air to air may be the better answer. Heatpumps London can help you separate those two options properly rather than treating every heat pump inquiry as the same job.